Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. Happy Monday. It's actually Veterans Day here in the States, so I don't know how the market's going to be, but sterling just bumped up on some news. So maybe pound dollar, pound yen, something like that. How's it going, Chris? Good to see you, sir. Les, how's it going, sir? Welcome to another session. Hey, Wendy. All right. Hope everyone had a good weekend. And there's Savannah. Hey, Savannah. Let's see. Hey, George and Chris. And like I said, I mean, I haven't officially. Yeah, it's Veterans Day, George. That's why I wasn't sure what was going to happen today, but because of this cable stuff, so probably not going to do a very long session. I mean, if something doesn't work itself out quick, it means we're not going to get much action today. Banks are closed, so there's a lot of players that are just not in the game right now. So I think that if we're going to get anything, it's going to be on this cable idea. Me and George were just kind of talking about a possible little short on cable after this move. It would be a little scary proposition because we just had that news out. Apparently, it was pretty big news. So if you do go short, just know you're countering the news that just came out. But the news shot it up pretty high. Shot it up pretty high. Now on the 5-minute chart, it's on an expansion. So the 5-minute trend could kick in at any moment, right? But the 1 minute is pulling back and it's starting to take charge now. It's the 1 minute's below the 5-minute L1 and lower lows are happening on the 1 minute. If this curling L1 starts to act as resistance, it hasn't tried yet, that would be the point where, yeah, I'd say we probably start maybe thinking about a short. And then if we did that, the stop, unfortunately, the high is up here. So if you don't put your stop there, you could just be giving away pips if you put your if you get it here at 77 and you put a 10 pip stop at 87. Chances are it'll stop you out and then bounce at 91 and just drop. Right? So you don't want to put your general right in front of your army. You want your army to do the job and your general is behind. Right? Your general throws up the white flag. He's the one that puts the stop in place. That's you. Right? So you don't want to throw them right in front of your army when they're about ready to do battle. You got to let your army work. So your army are these levels of resistance and support. And then there's obviously clear roads up on cable and pound yen. Maybe we should do the long on these guys before it gets out of hand, before they start going again. I mean, the news was bullish. I mean, it seems like the best chance to get something done here would be the long. The only thing is it's not yet showing us trend. And, you know, I want to be clear for you guys that you really want the one to be above these things. You want the one to be above the 5. All right, I think that we have to try pound. I'm looking at dollar yen. If dollar yen continues up, pound yen's what we're going to be. If dollar yen bounces lower, we're going to want to be in pound dollar. So right now, let them go up. Okay, the ones aren't leading yet. The ones are still showing us, if anything, they're showing us kind of an extended reversal look to it. You know, these things have not broken the high yet. I mean, these could just be looking for the top of the resistance to go short. That being said, though, if while the price is up above here, these 1 minute boxes come up, we're going to want to get in on the next touch of the 1 minute. Like the fact that it's held up here so long and hasn't tried to pull back, both of these, that's a sign that the reversal may not be happening. Dollar yen going up, pound yen looks like it could be the clear winner here, guys. Let me see what the low is on the 1 minute. 25 and we're up at 32. All right, guys, I think I'm going to have to try it. I'm in at 32. All right. I'm in 32 to take these clear roads. This one is almost creeping up. And it just keeps bouncing off of this lower level here. So I got in at 32. It's still going to have to move up to get some profit out of this. Dollar yen moving up of any direction I want dollar yen to go, it's up. So that's, you know, it's slowly going up slowly, but it is pushing higher. That's good. That means possible yen. That means dollar is stronger than yen, right? And that means pound will have a harder time moving up against a stronger currency. So it'll have a harder time to move up against the stronger dollar than it will having to move up against a weaker yen. So as long as dollar yen keeps moving in that direction, that's a good sign. All we just need is pound to get a little strength to continue that. All right, so we've got clear roads, and we're trying to get our army here of support to just push this price along. Should see this start moving soon if it's going to work. But let me go refresh my coffee, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, I got my coffee now. So we're hanging out above the boxes. The 1 minute box is now leading. And markets have dropped. It's down about 130 at the moment. All right, nice. Wendy's in at 32. Okay, here we are. +4. Yeah, yep, I agree. Just waiting for that push up these roads. And it may not come super fast. It is a holiday, bank holiday today, but all right, +8, just about. There we go, +8. Keep pushing. Dollar cable's starting to take over. Pound dollar, that's good. There's +9. There we go. I've got the trade protector kicked in. Here's +12. Maybe we take one off here just to get some double digits. I took half off at +12. It does have a trade protector kicked in. Stop at break +5 is where it kicked in. Dollar cable is still pushing. See, it's at the top of its candle. So is pound yen. Here's 13. We're almost at this slow car. I mean, we're almost at a slow car. We might get a little pullback, but we haven't yet. We already got half pulled out at +12. All right, I'm out. I was hoping to get a 13 something, but I didn't. I got a 12 and 12 pips on the trade, so I'm out.